In this video, we take you to Thousand Trails Orlando. Let's get to it.
Hi guys, we hope you enjoy the video.
Check out our latest RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description.
This is a 2023 update. Let me show you around. The guardhouse in back of me is where you will come to first, and they will direct you to the staging area where you'll get a number, and then somebody will come over in a golf cart, ask you where you would like to be, and they will take you to that area.
Happy Monday, folks. Melody and I are at Thousand Trails Orlando RV Resort. This is what it looks like before check-in. You're looking at the entrance to Orlando Thousand Trails. This is the approach from US Route 27. This is what it looks like at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. This is the line going into TTO Orlando at about 12:20 on a Monday, and they're still coming in. Be sure to watch our latest video on Thousand Trails membership, Thousand Trails, the real deal, on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel.
To my left is what TTO members refer to as the new section. All sites are concrete with full hookups. We are over in the new section, and if you're lucky enough, you may just score a site that has a pond view. There are several ponds scattered throughout the new and the old new section. Lou's going to pan around and show you some of the sites over in the new section. Behind me is the old new section, and they're all concrete as well and full hookups. The sites in the new section and the old new section are really nice. When we arrived, there were no sites available in either section, so we chose to do I section, and that's where we're at, and we're happy with our site. But yeah, the concrete sites all have full hookups, 50/30, and yeah, it's really nice, especially if you can score a site with a water view. Check out that view. What do you think? But you have to be careful because there are alligators in there. Okay, we're going to take you over to the cabin section now. Okay, here is another lake over in the old new section, and over where the cabins are, you may be lucky to get a view of the lake too. But check out this spot. I'd love to have this spot here. Okay, this is where the getaway cabins are. We're going to take a quick walk through and show you what they look like. Check out the view of this cabin. That is really nice. Check out the sandhill cranes behind you. It looks like there's 3 over there. And boy, are these guys noisy. They really have a voice on them. Behind me is the Black Bear cabin, and you have a view of the lake from the front porch. We are over in the D section, and the D section you're going to find lots of trees that provide lots of shade. So if you like that kind of thing, I recommend coming to the D section. Check out some of these trees.
Melody always makes friends no matter where we go. Yeah, Melody made another friend.
If we let it grow out, when it gets grown out.
Check out the turtle behind me. You're going to see these throughout the park. Normally they'll have little lattice fences around their houses. So if you see one, do not touch them. They're protected. But look how big this guy is. Or girl. Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Okay. There he goes. Look. Right. Be careful crossing the street, little one. They move fast, don't they? Usually wherever you see the white lattice or the brown lattice means there's a hole there. I have seen them popping their heads out when you get close. Let's see if anybody's in here. Nothing in there. In back of me is the recreation center, and make sure you check the activities calendar for the month to see what's going on. They have a huge checkerboard here, but if checkers isn't your thing, they also have chess. Inside the activities building, you'll see a small convenience store, and you can get complimentary Wi-Fi in here. This is the mail room, and at the time of our visit we did pick up a few things here, and at that time it was $5 a package. Behind me is the pool area. They have 2 pools and a hot tub and a kiddie pool over in the corner.
Folks, I tested the pool and hot tub just for you. Well, folks, the hot tub wasn't hot. There were small children playing in the hot tub, and there weren't enough seats in the pool area. What can I say?
Over in this section you're going to find tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard, and putt-putt or mini golf. Lou and I may try to play some mini golf while we are here. Okay.
golf cart path leading to our campsite, and this is our campsite at Orlando RV Resort. Check this scenery out at Orlando RV Resort. Out for my morning walk this morning. Yeah, Orlando RV Resort can be a busy place, but there are pockets within the resort where you can find some peace and quiet. Down by the lake here is one of them. Walk you out on this dock they have out here. You know, I have absolutely nothing on my schedule today. This is just a hangout day within the resort. It is a warm morning here in Clermont, Florida. And it sure is pretty. I'll take you to the end of this pier, and I'm gonna pan to my left and show you this scenery here. Just talking to a gentleman. He's down from Indiana, and he's fishing right off to my right. But look at this scenery. I saw turkey this morning on my walk. Wild turkey at Orlando RV Resort. Some more wild turkeys, and check out the color of these turkeys. Look at the beautiful colors on those turkeys. Wow, that's really something. They're beautiful. Well, got everything set up for the campfire social. And you know what? It's nice just to sit here and relax a little bit. Let me flip the camera around for you. Say hi, Mel.
Hi, Mel.
Isn't this pretty, folks? This is the campfire they have set up. There's no fire rings at the campsites here at Thousand Trails Orlando. They have 2 fire pits that I know of. This is one of them. Community fire pits. So yeah, this is kind of sweet. We got the place staked out. We got a couple folks bringing some snacks, and looking forward to this campfire tonight. Well, there she goes. It lit up on the first strike. But look at the sky. The sky is wonderful. So look at the turnout for our campfire social, and look at the sky. Look at the pinks and the blues. Isn't that pretty?
You guys got yourselves in trouble somewhere.
There's your seat. I had bug spray. I'm sorry.
Not yet. Working on it.
Daddy's doing what Daddy does best.
Yeah, recording. Ah, you would have seen. Yeah, you would have come see me.
Well, I shouldn't say that.
I haven't been to San Antonio for 40 years.
Hi, sweetheart. We didn't get that far south.
Keep us cool.
I was at Lackland Basin.
Oh, you want to sniff from? Hi, little baby boy.
We met some awesome folks in person for the first time and caught up with some of our existing friends. I'd like to give a special thank you to Angie and Lou of Eat, Sleep, RV, Repeat, and Mary and Fred from the Edel Campers, who brought snacks to share with everyone. Here are a few photographs from this Living Our Dream Now Campfire Social. We had an amazing time at the Campfire Social tonight. Take a look at that moon in the left-hand part of the screen.
I can't think of a better place to close out this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and we will see you down the road.